Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on Netflix notification on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. And then here you can select your profile. By turning on notification on your Netflix, and then you can receive all updates from Netflix. The way is, here please click on My Netflix at the bottom, and then press three line at the top right corner. Okay, and then you can select App Settings. After that, here you can select this option, and then you can turn it on by pressing this button. That's the tutorial on how to turn on Netflix notification on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.